Looks like alcohol-based hand sanitizers are still very hard to find, although once in a while you do get lucky. I did find a few at my local Walmart, but didn't get one as I have enough homemade hand sanitizers to last me, well, for 2 years. Plus, there were only just a few for those who really need them. Anyway, it's just like one of those apocalyptic movies, where you're scavenging for supplies, and you hit the jackpot. In the meantime, I just wanted to talk about some alternative ways when you don't have a hand sanitizer. In my very first video about making homemade hand sanitizers, I suggested using 2 spray bottles, one with soap and water, while another is a spray bottle with water. I talked about how that is a great alternative if you don't have hand sanitizers. And in this video, we will talk about one fun way to make soap portable so that we could use it when we are out and about while currently practicing social distancing. 2 things most of us have in abundant supplies are bar soap and water. Bar soaps are everywhere and they are cheap. So this method is going to be fun. I'm calling it the Corona-Ivory Foam Soap. I'm naming it that way because you can only use Ivory Bar Soap. Ivory is the only soap that has a high volume of air that is whipped into it. When you microwave it, it expands into a huge fluffy cloud in a matter of seconds. You can tell that you have ivory soap if it floats in a glass of water. If it sinks, it is not ivory soap. I have another soap called Jergens Mild Soap, and this soap floated. So I tested it in the microwave and it worked just like ivory soap. So if you have a different kind of soap at home, try it first to see if it floats or not. If it does float, then you can make this Corona-Ivory Foam Soap. And with the spare foamy ivory soap you have, put them near your bathroom sink. Your little ones and the young at heart will have a fun time washing their hands. It's like holding non-sticky cotton candy or fluffy cotton. Thank you again for watching. Be safe, everyone.